Okay guys, we have some bad news here. I'm not gonna get this channel back because I'm gonna connect it to my tablet. Please. Guys, can I tell you why I haven't made a video so long in my regular channel? My first channel? It's because I wasn't making my first channel because it's bad news. My tablet was broken. If you guys think I'm lying, you guys are gonna find out. It's broken. It's completely broken. It won't work. It doesn't work anymore. So I tell you, Joshua, please. I have no devices. Please leave a like. What the heck? Leave a like if you want. Leave a like if you want me to keep on playing. Leave a like if you want my tablet back. Or dislikes if you want. Okay, likes if you want me to change this channel. No, actually, dislikes. Oh my god. Just put it in the comments. Whatever you say, put it in the comments. Because I got nothing here. Nothing! So I guess this is goodbye. I'm not making an animation. This is goodbye. Bye guys.